Hi guys, today we'll go with a different topic. Today I'm gonna review a book. Basically, I love reading storybooks. If you too like reading storybooks, do comment about it in the comment section. For that, first, let me choose a book from my book collection. Oh yes, I found it. It's one of my favorite books. That's Emil and the Detectives. This is one of the most popular stories and it is written by Erich Kästner. He was born in Dresden in Germany in 1999 and also we can learn a few more information about him in this book. Usually, I don't read books for a long time, so it took me 5 to 6 days to complete this book. I love vintage books, and this is one of the vintage classics collection. This story is also available in ebooks and audiobooks. Even the story is made into a movie. This novel is about Emil's adventure. It's an adventurous story. This is a book translated from German by Ellen Hall and it's illustrated by Walter Trier. Well, it's all about a boy who hates Sunday suits. And in this story, it was the first time for him to be taking the train on his phone, but he doesn't like his fellow passenger. He wants to keep his money safe, but he falls asleep. His money's gone. So now he teams up a gang of detectives and there begins the story. This is one of the children's book written by Erich Kästner. It's an interesting story and it's to learn about the book's brave author and to find just how good a sleuth you would be. It's the last day for me to read this book. I read this book during holidays, so I had spent almost an hour daily to complete it. And this is my favorite pick in this book. Oh, I had forgotten to tell you that also you have a few pages at last to test your knowledge of Emil and the Detectives and your spy skills. And guys, hope it's a useful video, so kindly like, share, comment about this video and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon for getting the notifications immediately. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.